Is your finance team struggling to manage fixed assets on Excel alone? We've helped hundreds of companies turn their spreadsheet mess into an audit-ready fixed asset platform. Because spreadsheets don't just waste time, they lead to costly mistakes. So in this video, I'm going to show you 4 of the best platforms on the market that'll help your team save hours a week. That way you can automate their process and finally ditch manual spreadsheets for good. Before we get into it, just a quick heads up. The systems I'm covering today are built for fixed asset accounting and tax. If you're after barcode scanning or maintenance tracking, that's a different category. Enterprise asset management. We've got a full video on the best EAM systems if that's what you need. All right, I'll start with one of the most popular systems on the market, Sage Fixed Assets. If you're a mid to large size business managing thousands of assets, this is one you'll want to look at. Sage's depreciation engine is genuinely strong. It has more than 50 formulas, GAAP rules built in, and all the state, local, and federal variations handled automatically. Plus, it constantly updates tax rules for you, so you don't have to keep managing endless Excel tabs. And if you need multi-company visibility, Sage makes it simple. You can run multiple businesses inside one database, giving you full control from the moment you buy an asset through its replacement. So if your equipment is 5 or 6 years old, you'll know when it reaches the end of its useful life for accounting and tax purposes. This is a huge step up from trying to manually calculate this all on a spreadsheet. I usually recommend Sage once you've passed a few hundred assets, or definitely once you've hit 1,000. That being said, just prepare for a longer implementation time, as some users have reported this in the past. Also, pricing depends upon your asset volume, so you'll need a custom quote. But the lack of pricing detail is pretty standard on these platforms. Still, it can take days or even weeks of research to gather info for competing options. That's why at Software Connect, we make it easy. We'll get you price quotes and demos from leading vendors for free, so you can find the best fit for your business. Just visit softwareconnect.com to get started. Now, the next product I want to highlight is Fixed Assets CS by Thomson Reuters. This is one of the more flexible systems out there. You can shape it to fit the way your team works, from building your own templates to adjusting depreciation rules. And even if an asset has different tax and accounting treatments, it keeps everything tied to a single mastered record, so no more juggling duplicate Excel tabs. I also like that it can handle several clients. That's usually where the manual process starts to fall apart. Each file gets its own assets, books, methods, and reporting requirements. And don't worry about getting data mixed up. Each client is fully isolated, so everything stays separate. This way your team can easily jump between files without having to leave the system. Now, one downside is that it's not cloud-based, so you have to download it to your servers. They do offer a virtual office for remote teams, but it's more of a workaround than an actual cloud software. Also, the outdated UI definitely turns some people away. And I get it, but I will say that it's predictable and easy to navigate. It has an old school Windows folder system, so it has a familiar feel. And if you're already used to Thomson Reuters accounting or tax suite, the integration is seamless. But if the outdated UI is a deal breaker, then Bloomberg Tax Fixed Asset is one to look at. This is more modern, cleaner, and doesn't look like it's straight out of 2005. Plus, it's cloud hosted, so you can integrate it into your existing tech stack. As for its features, the standout here is the depreciation modeling tool. You can project depreciation up to 20 years in the future to get a better picture of your taxable income and cash flow. It also lets you layer in incoming expenses and compare model scenarios, all without touching your actual data. If you manage a large, constantly shifting portfolio, this is huge. The trade-off? It's more complex than something like Fixed Asset CS, so the learning curve can be a bit steeper. But for remote teams with thousands of assets, the cloud hosting and feature depth can be worth it. And speaking of strong features, Bassets eDepreciation is another good example. One of its highlights is the flexible data conversion. If you have multiple tax books or production-based assets on a bunch of spreadsheets or legacy files, don't worry. You can upload everything and it'll get you organized fast. I also really like its reporting feature. You can run historical depreciation or model future values from one screen. From there, the system can push finalized entities directly into your general ledger. It can easily integrate with leading systems like QuickBooks, Sage Intacct, and NetSuite, so you don't have to worry about transferring it all yourself. It has several plans, so it supports only a few hundred or an unlimited number of assets. But because of its complexity, you may need a while to train your staff. So those are some of the best fixed asset management systems on the market. All 4 are capable of streamlining your depreciation calculations while giving you more control over your asset accounting methods. So how do you manage your fixed assets? Not sure which one's the best for you? Drop a comment and we'll give you some recommendations down there too. And if you want to explore other great options, check out our full roundup page. Link is in the description below. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.